Which pressure washer hose is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, cutting through the marketing fluff to show you 5 real options that stand out for durability, flexibility, and value.
Product number 1, Yamamatic 50-foot heavy-duty hose. The Yamamatic 50-foot pressure washer hose, a solid no-frills option priced at $26.99. Right off the bat, what caught my eye was its OEM quality claim and compatibility with major brands like Ryobi and Greenworks. If you want a long, reliable replacement hose that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1/4 inch inner diameter and 3200 PSI rating mean it handles most residential gas and electric washers without breaking a sweat. The polyvinyl material is kink resistant, so you're not constantly stopping to untangle it while cleaning your driveway or patio. Plus, the solid brass M22 14mm fittings are USA standard and leak-proof, no shaky connections or sudden sprays. Over 4,000 people bought this in the past month, which tells you something about its reliability. Now, some people complained about the hose stiffening in cold weather. Here's the thing though, that's common with polymer hoses, and Yamamatic actually mentions it'll soften again when it warms up. Just don't expect it to coil easily in winter. Still, for under $30, the performance is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you need a longer reach for big jobs and want something durable without overspending. Skip this one if you live in a consistently cold climate and need maximum flexibility year-round. For the price, it's a steal.
Product number 2, Yamamatic 25-foot compact hose. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller spaces. The Yamamatic 25-foot hose at $22.99. It's shorter, lighter, and ideal if you're working on cars or patios, where maneuverability matters more than length. Here's why this matters for you specifically. At just 2.4 pounds, it's easy to drag around without straining your back. The 3200 PSI rating and kink-resistant polymer design mean you get strong, steady water flow without constant interruptions. The brass fittings are just as tough as the longer version, so no leaks or wobbles. And with over 3,000 recent buyers, it's clearly a trusted pick for light to medium duty cleaning. Now, some people wished it came with adapters, but honestly, it doesn't need them. It's designed as a direct replacement, not an extension. If you already have M22 compatible gear, you're good to go. The only real downside, it's not compatible with Karcher or Stanley models that use different fittings, so double check your washer first. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, no-nonsense hose for quick cleanups around the house. Skip this one if you need extra length or plan to connect multiple hoses. For under $25, it's a reliable workhorse.
Product number 3. PWA CCS 50-foot green extension hose. If the Yamamatic's lack of adapters bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The PWA CCS 50-foot hose at $35.99. What sets it apart? It comes with 5 adapters, including quick connect options, making it one of the most versatile hoses here. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The polyurethane outer jacket is non-marking and resists dirt and scratches. Great if you're cleaning delicate surfaces like painted decks or cars. It's rated for 3,600 PSI, so it handles high-pressure jobs with ease. And at 3.8 pounds, it's lighter than most 50-foot rubber hoses, which makes dragging it around less of a workout. The included couplers let you link hoses or switch between fittings, which is a lifesaver if you've got mixed brand equipment. Now, some people said the green color shows dirt easily, but that's cosmetic, not functional. The real issue, the PVC inner layer isn't as flexible in cold weather as hybrid polymers. Still, for most users, that's a minor trade-off for the added versatility. This is perfect for you if you own multiple pressure washer accessories or need adapter flexibility. Skip this one if you prioritize cold weather performance above all else. For $36, it's a smart investment for adaptable cleaning.
Product number 4 was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for extreme conditions. The Flexzilla 50-foot hose at $53.92. This thing is built like a tank, with a Zilla Green hybrid polymer that stays flexible from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. No more wrestling with a stiff, coiled hose in winter. The bend restrictor prevents kinks even when you're working in tight corners, and the fittings are rated for 4,000 PSI, way above the hose's 3,100 PSI limit. That means extra safety margin under pressure spikes. Made in the USA, it's also lighter than rubber hoses, so less fatigue during long jobs. Over 2,000 buyers in the past month can't be wrong. Now, some people complained about the price, and yeah, it's the most expensive here. But here's the thing, you're paying for long-term durability and flexibility that cheaper hoses just don't offer. If you use your pressure washer often, this pays for itself. This is perfect for you if you live in a cold climate or want a hose that won't stiffen or kink. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only clean once in a while. For serious users, it's worth every penny. Product number 5, Uberflex 50-foot Pro Pulse Hose. The Uberflex 50-foot hose from Pro Pulse at $53.49. Another premium pick, but with a focus on kink resistance. Made in the USA, this blue polyurethane hose is engineered to resist permanent bends and abrasions better than most. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The unique material blend gives it industry-leading flexibility without sacrificing strength. It handles 3,100 psi with ease and works with standard 22mm 14 female fittings. Just avoid AR Blue Clean or Sun Joe models. At 3.5 pounds, it's lightweight but tough, and the smooth outer layer glides over surfaces without snagging. It's a favorite among pros who need reliability day after day. Now, some people were frustrated by the lack of quick connect options. This is a twist-only design. If you're used to snap fittings, that's a learning curve, but for pure performance and longevity, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end, kink-free hose built for heavy use. Skip this one if you need quick connect compatibility or are on a budget. For $53, it's a premium tool for serious cleaners.
So, which one should you pick? The Yamatic 255T is great for small jobs on a budget. The 50-foot version adds length without much cost. PWACCS wins for versatility with its adapters. Flexilla dominates in extreme temps, and Uberflex is the kink-resistant king for pros. Each has its strength. Pick based on your needs, not the price tag.